Hi guys, good evening. We're sa Barangay Bual. So, junior category finals game number 2. Same kagabi ang nagampang. So, wala ko naka-vlog kagabi kay Amampang is DB Farm versus Turok Uno. So, game 3 na guys. It's do or die match. So, ang series nila is 1-1. So, wala ko ka-vlog. So, kita yung magro sa video ko sa fan. Naka-upload ako kayo na sa isa ko ka channel, itong Ivan New Vlogs. So, ito na talawa ng video sa junior category, game 2. Kagabi ito siya guys, then makuha ko ron game 3 nila. Yan, tara. Barangay Bual. So, see you later guys, right after sa game. So, tapos man guys, ang ilang basketball tournament sa Sangguniang Kabataan of Barangay Bual. The junior is DB Farms scoring 45 against 40. 5-point game lang. Di man lang bansi guys. And you can follow me guys on my other channel. It's Ivan New Vlogs. So, see you later. Uli kami. So, nagawas na ko 3 guys kay basta makapiright ko. May kusog ang sound sa sulod. Aris na doon. Ayos. Shoutout please, shoutout. Hey, shoutout sa Barangay Bual.
DB Farm.
DB Farm.
Dito kami ngayon sa Barangay Bual.
And yun lang guys, thank you for watching. Shoutout sa Barangay Government of Bual, headed by Honorable Barangay Chairman Alamada, and also SK Chairperson Bidbads Calmax, and the rest of the Barangay Council of Barangay Bual. Once again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me guys on my other channel. It's Ivan Hugh Vlogs. And God bless everyone.